Hello and welcome to a new Python coding challenge video. Today we will discover a solution to last week's challenge. By the way, I've said this before and I'll say it again. The solutions that I show you here are neither the only ones or indeed the best. There will always be better solutions out there, and the beauty of coding is that you can always find a more efficient strategy to accomplish your task. So please do not worry if your solution is different to mine. In fact, make sure to share it in the comments and I will do my best to feature it in an upcoming video. Now though, back to our code for today. We can start by writing define mastermind of hcomb, stands for hidden combination, and guess. Then we can say if len of hcomb is different to len of guess, then we can print, or better still, return a sentence that says the length of the hidden combination and the guess must be equal. Otherwise, if the length of the hidden combination and the length of the guess are the same, then we can write our actual code starting with white equals 0 and red equals 0. Then we can say for I in range len guess, we can say if guess I equals hcomb I, then red plus equals 1, and then hcomb I equals, for example, a hashtag, and guess I equals a hashtag. Else, we can say for j in range len guess, again, we can say if guess I is equal to hcomb j and guess I is different to hashtag, then we can say white plus equals 1, then guess I equals hashtag, and hcomb j is equal to hashtag. And then we can break out of our loop. Finally, we can say return a tuple with the number of red pins and number of white pins. Now if you followed closely, you can now test any pair of hidden combination and related guess, and you'll see that the code is able to correctly return the number of red and white pins. Feel free to also go back to my previous video and test out the combinations I showed you there. I'll leave a link to it in the top of your screen and in the video description should you be interested. Other than that, thank you all for watching today's video and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as always, happy coding!